When you think of bruschetta, you think of tomatoes, but there are so many different toppings you can put on the bread. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious avocado and crab bruschetta. So I've been preheating my grill. You want this to be nice and hot. And the key to a good bruschetta, apart from very good toppings, is to get a nice char-grilled finish on your bread. So this is a few days old, and I'm going to cut this on an angle. I'm going to make petite bruschetta, so not those big chunky ones, just small, delicate ones. This would probably be a fantastic little number to do when you've got friends coming over for some drinks. Handing around some small bruschetta like this is a fantastic little hors d'oeuvre. So let's do 4 of these. And we'll need a good drizzle of olive oil just on both sides, and use your hands just to brush it to make sure it's completely coated on both sides and all the way to the edges. A little more. Spread that in. Okay, onto the grill. We'll just give that a few minutes on each side. In the meantime, let's get this avocado sauce on the go. So a little chili, a long chili. They're not as hot as the small ones, so I'm going to add half and just roughly chop it. We'll pop that into a jug. I'm going to blend all of this together. Half an avocado, nice ripe avocado. And we'll just use a spoon and scrape that beautiful flesh out. Now I want this to have some mayonnaise. Crab and mayonnaise, they're just the best combination together. So a generous spoonful. And I want the warmth from some ginger, so finely grate the ginger in, about half a teaspoon. And we can taste it. If it needs some more, we can add some more. Finally, the zest of half a lemon. And before I start blending this, let's check our bread. I can start smelling it. It smells like it's toasting. So I'm just going to turn them over. Look at that, pretty happy with the results. Nice char marks. Great, we'll give it a few more minutes. And using a stick blender, I'm going to blend this together until it's smooth. All right, that is looking good. That beautiful pale green colour, just fantastic. And that sauce is done. Now, I don't want to do too much to the crab because it is just beautiful as is. This is spanner crab. It's a gorgeous, sweet tasting crab. This has been pre-picked for me. If you like, you could absolutely do it yourself, or you can change it around if you don't want to use crab. This is fantastic with prawns. It's also fantastic with lobster if you really want to splurge. So we're just breaking this up into a bowl. I'll add a very small pinch of salt. It doesn't need much because it's salty as is. A small drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And just some lemon juice. So a few drops of lemon juice just to freshen it up. Grab a spoon and give that a mix. And honestly, just serving that crab as is a real treat. So avocado mayonnaise ready to go, the crab, and a final garnish, some chives. We just want a mild onion flavour, so that's why I'm going to use the chives, and we'll just finely chop that as fine as we can get them. Done. Let's plate up. The bread is looking good. We're going to take it off the grill, and I'm going to turn it the other side so we've got more of a char mark. That deep golden colour is what I'm after. And I'll grab my spoon. I'm going to add a dollop of this yummy gingery mayonnaise to each of the little pieces of bread. You can see I'm not being stingy with this because it is so yummy. So lots of that mayo. Just grab a butter knife and just spread it out. The crab, I'm just going to pop that on top. Fantastic. A little sprinkle of our chives on top. glass of Chardonnay, maybe a very cold Chardonnay with this crab bruschetta is something I crave on a hot summer's day. A fantastic little starter right there.